We'll be starting with the most important topic of English. Practically speaking, if you don't know this topic, you don't know English. As I have written here, it's tenses. Hindi translation also I have mentioned, it's Kal. You must have heard of it, right? Now, as I said again, tenses is most important. If you don't know tenses, you practically don't know English. Tenses, Kal. In Hindi we studied Bhutkal, Bhavishya Vartaman Kal. Like, जो हो गया, बीत गया, जो आएगा और जो अभी है, सेम इज टेंसेस. जो बीत गया इज पास्ट, जो चल रहा है दैट्स प्रेजेंट, एंड जो आएगा दैट इज फ्यूचर. Simple enough. Three tenses, that is present, past, future. That is what practicality of life is. What has happened, what is happening, what will happen. If we talk about it logically, we took birth. You were born, that is past, you're not born now. Then, what you're doing now is your present. What is your aim in life is your future. Easy enough to remember if you think about it logically. Then we say, these are having 4 groups. The first one, I just said, right, that tenses are very, very important. If you don't know tenses, you don't know English. But also, tenses are very simple. If you know tenses, you know everything. Tenses are very simple. I repeat, tenses are very simple. Again and again, I am saying the word simple, simple, simple. Let's name the first group only as simple. So yeah, let's name the first group as simple. I said 4 groups, right? I have done just 1. So I need to do 3 more. 4 minus 1, 3. So we need to continue. Continue. Let's name the second group only as continuous. Wow. Out of 4, we are done with simple. We are done with continuous. Out of 4, 2 is done. Great. Officially speaking, passing marks is 40%. So out of 4, we are done with 2. 50% done. We are pass. That too in 2 minutes. So we are doing a perfect rule. Let's name our first group only as perfect. Now comes the main point. Perfect is perfect. There is nothing better than perfect. What to do now? What should we do? Anyone? Let's continue our perfection. Let's do it. So we are done with 4. That is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. 4 are done here and 3 we knew, present, past, future. Let's subdivide them. When we see this, simple, simple past, simple present, simple future. 3 are done now. When I say 3 main tenses are there, present, past, future, 3 and 4 groups. 3 fours are, what is it? When we say 3 fours are, it's 12. So we know in total we have 12 tenses. So out of 12 we are done with 3. Simple past, simple present, simple future. Wow. Now let's do the same with continuous. Continuous present, continuous past, continuous future. Then same way we are done with out of 12 6. We'll follow the same with perfect, past perfect, present perfect and future perfect. We are done that way for the same perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, future